Formula E, India's first ever electric car race, took place in Hyderabad in February 2023 despite tough competition from major states across the globe. The event had garnered attention from all over the world. People from over 150 countries watched the race, and it brought Hyderabad huge global recognition. The economic benefit to the city, around rupees 700 crores as per Nielsen Sports Analysis report. This event was not just about the race, it was about showing the world what Hyderabad was capable of. The KCR government, under the able leadership of KTR, organized this race with multiple objectives such as promoting electric vehicles, building Hyderabad's reputation worldwide, and also to attract investments. The event was a great success, and people around the world praised the city for hosting it. So far, so good. But the Revant Reddy government, soon after assuming office, has started spreading lies about the Formula E race. Congress government started accusing KTR, ex-minister, and the BRS working president of financial mismanagement. But let us see what is the truth in these allegations. The total amount spent by the then government on this event was about rupees 44 crore, which is comparatively lesser when compared to any similar racing events held in India or abroad. The remaining expenditure was borne by the promoter Greenco. The propaganda by the Congress government about financial mismanagement in this race is utterly false. The Telangana government, under the leadership of KCR, organized the Formula E race in Hyderabad on par with global standards. This initiative received widespread recognition for its world-class arrangements, extensive media coverage, and the boost it gave to Hyderabad's global reputation. The race was managed by a committee led by the Municipal Administration Minister and included prominent figures like Mahindra Group Chairman Anand Mahindra, along with experts from FIA and other sectors. The state government had signed an agreement to host the race for 4 consecutive seasons. The inaugural event was held successfully with sponsorship from companies like Greenco. However, lack of sponsors for the 2024 race prompted the government to allocate rupees 50 crore through the HMDA, an autonomous body with the Chief Minister as a chairman, to ensure the race's continuation. The funds were transferred directly to the race organizers, adhering to all the existing rules. The decision by the Congress-led Revant Reddy government to cancel the 2024 race abruptly has negated all the progress made on this front. This move violated the agreement, and citing this Formula E organizers retained the rupees 55 crore. The cancellation not only tarnished Hyderabad's brand image but also deprived the city of economic benefits associated with the event. Despite no evidence of misuse of funds, CM Revant Reddy and BJP leaders are making futile attempts to portray it as if some corruption has happened in organizing this race. In reality, the funds were used transparently and no wrongdoing occurred under the previous administration. This political narrative appears to be an effort to mislead the public where no corruption actually took place. The Congress government's decision to cancel the 2024 Formula E race seems to be driven by politics. It's very clear that they just want to target KTR because they cannot handle his criticism and questioning. Meanwhile, the Congress government spent over rupees 20 crore on a football tournament that hardly anyone attended. Why isn't anyone asking if that was a wise use of public money? The Formula E controversy is just another chapter in the ongoing political vendetta in Telangana. But the people cannot be fooled by all these divergent dramas. Revant Reddy's government is struggling to deliver on its 420 promises. When government fails to deliver on development and welfare schemes, and when the expected outcomes are not achieved, there is a tendency to divert public attention. This trend of divergent politics has notably increased under the Revant Reddy government. The Formula E race was a landmark event for Hyderabad, and its positive impact will leave a lasting impact no matter how hard the present government tries to tarnish its image.